SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to sign out of YouTube on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're currently signed into the YouTube app on your iPhone with your Google account and you would like to sign out of that account, then you can do so by opening the YouTube app. You can then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can tap the gear icon at the top right corner of this screen. Now you just need to select the account option from this settings menu, and then you can select the Use YouTube Signed Out option. Now you're going to get a little pop-up that says that you're now using YouTube Signed Out. If you would like to remove the YouTube or the Google account from this device, if you're not going to sign into it again, then you can go back to the U tab at the bottom of the screen, tap the gear icon again, select Account from this menu, and then choose Manage Accounts on this device. If you would like to remove an existing Google account from the app, then you can tap on the Remove from this device button, and then you can tap Remove to confirm that you want to remove this account and its unsaved data from YouTube and other Google apps on this device.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.